Hey everyone, if you finished a job and it's time to get paid, you need to send a professional invoice. Today, I'm going to show you how to create, customize, and send an invoice in QuickBooks Online in just a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the invoice window. First, click the plus new button in the top left corner of your dashboard. Under the Customers column, select Invoice. This opens up your blank invoice template. Step 2. Select your customer. In the Customer dropdown, choose your client. If they aren't in your system yet, just click Add New and enter their name and email address. QuickBooks will automatically fill in their billing info if you've saved it before. Step 3. Set the dates and terms. Check your invoice date and set your terms. This is when you expect to be paid, like net 30 or due on receipt. This automatically calculates the due date for you, so there's no confusion for your client. Step 4. Add products and services. Now, go down to the product or service table. Choose the items you're billing for, add a description if needed, and enter the QTI and rate. If the item is taxable, make sure the tax box is checked so QuickBooks can calculate the sales tax for you. Step 5. Review and send. Take a quick look at the total at the bottom. You can add a message to the customer in the text box, like, "Thanks for your business." When you're ready, hit save and send in the bottom right. You'll get a preview of the email your client will see. Just hit send and close, and you're all set. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.